बच्चों, let's see the question here. A student reported the radii of copper plus and copper plus 2 as 122 picometer, 96 picometer and 72 picometer. Do you agree with the reported values? Justify the answer, explain why. So here we will start our solution. और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So here in this case we have parent atom, that is copper, and its cations. So we know that for size of parent atom and cation have smaller size as compared to that of parent atom. And ऐसा इसलिए होता है because जो cation होता है उसके केस में क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डिक्रीज करेंगे, दैट मीन्स Z इफेक्टिव इंक्रीज करेगा, और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्शन होता है दैट इज लेस इन दिस केस. This is the reason that cations have smaller radii as compared to that of parent atom. But if we increase the positive charge, then in that case what will happen? Number of electrons will decrease, that means Z effective और ज्यादा increase होगा और इलेक्ट्रॉन repulsion force क्या होगा? कम होगा. So due to that, radius of cation will further decrease. That means यहाँ पर हमारे पास given क्या terms है? We have copper plus iron and copper plus 2 iron. That means जो parent atom होगा उसका size larger होगा as compared to that of its cation. That means we have copper as the largest radii, उसके बाद में copper plus and least for copper plus 2. The reason here, as the charge on parent atom increases, radius decreases more. So here in this question it is given that ionic radii for copper plus and copper plus 2 are 96 and 72 respectively, whereas for copper it is 122 picometer. So this is given as 122 picometer. Here it is 96 picometer, and for copper plus 2 ion this is 72. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे जो रेडियाई का रिपोर्ट गिवन है दैट इज करेक्ट हियर, बिकॉज ऑर्डर जो है वो फॉलो कर रहा है यहाँ पे गिवन वैल्यूज ऑल्सो. दैट मीन्स इन दिस केस द गिवन रिपोर्ट इज करेक्ट, and the reason being that with increase in charge, Z effective increases and radius of cation decreases. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.